This Smart TV's local preview walks through Google TV remote pairing. Watch the remote action first, then match the highlighted target on the TV. Replace both batteries first. A Google TV remote can flash and still fail pairing when the cells are weak. Hold back and home together for about 5 seconds. Wait for the LED to pulse before you look back at the TV. If the remote still will not pair, unplug the Google TV device for 10 seconds and wait for the home screen to reload. If the pairing prompt does not show, open Settings and go to Remotes and Accessories. Select the pairing option there. If an old remote appears but does not respond, select it and choose Forget, then repeat the back and home pairing hold. Use the Google TV phone remote as a backup. It lets you navigate the pairing menu while the physical remote is offline. That is the guided path. Scan the QR code for the full Smart TVs article, model notes, and fallback options.